हाँ, जो absolutely. Every Diwali is associated with Dhanteras. So we have this tradition of buying a piece of gold or gold ornaments on this auspicious occasion. So अभी इस वक्त इंडिया का मुहूर्त आया है कि सोने खरीदे और उसके साथ साथ सिल्वर भी बहुत ही बुलिश लग रहा है कि यहाँ से अगले 1-2 साल के लिए. So if you are looking for long term investment, I think gold and silver makes absolute sense to buy this Diwali. No, at this point of time especially, gold and silver, gold especially is trading very close to its all-time high despite interest rates being at their peak globally. So we are expecting next 2-3 years interest rates will fall significantly, and absolutely that will give a big drive for gold and silver. So we are sitting at the absolute moment where a new rally can start, and we'll see an all-time high very soon. I think my simple advice is, especially for investors, mind your time frame. Actually, when you're looking for investments, you have to be absolutely sure whether you're looking for short term, medium term, or long term, and pick your commodities and pick your investments as per your time frame. Especially, the only disappointment you get is your returns doesn't match your time frame. So I think I would advise that make sure that you keep that in mind.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.